this video, we are going to talk about what I think is the biggest factor in learning English, which is recognizing the difference between spoken and written English. So let's get right into it. Hi, my name is Nate, and in this channel, I'm going to share with you everything that I did and still do that helped me speak English fluently and confidently. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about recognizing the difference between spoken and written English? Well, I wondered that too. And that's good. There's actually a point in my learning that I didn't actually even think about it. But your result, that is how you speak English, has a direct relation to how you understand these two. Let's talk about written English first. In this skill, you learn long lists of grammar rules and their sometimes illogical exceptions. This is where you read a lot, memorize tons of vocabularies, learn the right usage of punctuation marks, master figures of speech, parts of speech, stuff like that. And these are all the necessary things you need to do in order to be good at writing in English. And these are all important, especially if your job requires a lot of writing. Maybe you are a script writer or an editor, or maybe you are dreaming of becoming one someday. God bless you with that. Or maybe you are a non-voice agent working at a BPO company or planning to be one in the near future. I've told you these are all important things in learning English, specifically written English. But I'm just gonna straight up tell you right now, these are not going to help you speak English fluently. Not at all. And I'm looking at you in the eyes because I'm not lying. Well, I'm actually looking at the camera, but you get the point. No, they are not going to help you. And in fact, they are going to ruin your ability to speak English fluently and confidently. I said fluently and confidently, not just confidently, because I've seen a lot of people speak English confidently, but they're doing it wrong. They're just confident, and I think there's nothing special about that. Spoken English is very different from written English in terms of ways and methods of mastering them. You can't expect a result by doing the wrong process. Think about this. We have been learning English, including spoken English, in schools for years. For some cases, maybe even decades. But we still struggle to speak English fluently. I know we speak English comprehensively, but I also know that deep in our hearts, we are almost always embarrassed whenever we have to speak in English. And I know the struggle. I've been there. I know what it feels like to go through those embarrassing moments. But I'm here to help, and I'm glad to help. I'm glad to help everyone who wants to bring their spoken English to the next level. And it's my pleasure. And if you like that, please check out my other videos and subscribe to this channel. And thank you all. God bless.